What's up, everybody? This is Whiskey in the Six. I'm Rob, doing the Sipper Social Club Blenders Challenge. All right, Jeremy assigned a group of Canadian whiskey reviewers on YouTube the task of creating a blend, and then we're putting them up against each other. Each one of us are going to be tasting them blind. We're going to rate them from best to worst in quality and see who wins. All right. Obviously, in the blind challenge, we won't be able to taste our own. What I did was I used an SMWS bottle that was empty. I poured 1/3 Lagavulin 12-year-old in here, and then the rest, equal portions of Deanston Virgin Oak, Octomore 9.3, Aaron 20-year-old Brodick Bay, and Springbank Burgundy Cask Strength. All right, so that's what's in this bottle. It's predominantly 12 years old or older, but there is some younger whiskey in there with the Deanston Virgin Oak and the Octomore 9.3. Overall, I really enjoy this. I'm going to give you some quick tasting notes, and then you guys will see my blind challenge in the next couple of days. So the Octomore definitely comes through here. I'm getting a lot of that Octomore style peat. And obviously the Lagavulin's peated as well, so you're going to get a little bit of that different contrasting style of peat. Octomore is more of a barbecue style peat, whereas the Lagavulin has more of an Isla style of peat. There's definitely some older whiskey, you can tell right away. That's probably coming from the Aaron, some sherry notes in there. So what's awesome is the Deanston Virgin Oak brings down the ABV of this, so it's actually easy to drink at bottle strength, whatever that actually is, probably somewhere in the low 50s. Each of the other ones that I added in here are cask strength whiskeys, so the ABV is going to be higher, but the Deanston Virgin Oak definitely brings that down a little bit, which is nice. A lot of cool stuff going on here. I don't know. I think this one could be a winner. We're going to have to see. I haven't tasted the other ones yet, so we'll see what happens. I hope you guys enjoy this. I think you're going to like the challenge, and may the best man win.